Hey, what's up guys? So I bought this on Amazon, and when I looked it up I didn't see any reviews on this specifically, so I want to do a review on it, unbox it, and show you guys what's in the package. It's the Ravelli ABS 10 foot high by 12.3 inches wide backdrop. So let me unbox this for you guys, show you what's in here, and then I'll show you me setting it up. Alright, let's get it. Alright, looks like it comes with a little manual that nobody needs. Inside is this nice little case. Very nice. Don't need that anymore. This should be good for carrying it too. This is pretty heavy duty. These zippers are really thick on here. Wow, nice. Okay, so in the package. Oh, nice. These open up on the side as well, so you get it open more. See that? It all closes up like that. This is one of the light stands. Oh, awesome. I was hoping these weren't going to be cheap, and I'm very, very pleased with this. Another one. And these are the crossbars. I'm just trying to figure out how to fit. Going like that. Oh, nice. That is cool. So they go. I wonder how secure that's going to be though. So they have a notch front end here, and inside there's some indents inside the metal here. And you put it in a certain way, and you twist it to where it's around it, and it's not going to come out. It's heavy duty though, I like it, that's good. And then 2 more of those bars are in here. And that's it for unboxing it. I'm going to go set it up, give you guys a shot of me setting it up, and then we'll talk about it, alright? Alright, so now I'm going to assemble the Ravelli backdrop stand and show you how easy it is to assemble. I'm sure most of these are pretty straightforward and simple. I'm only gonna use, sorry, disclaimer, kids don't smoke, it's bad. Smoking is bad for you. I'm only gonna use 3 of the bars because I'm only gonna be using a 10 foot wide backdrop versus using all 4. It's gonna be the same for all 4 versus all 3, just a little bit longer with the other way. So let's set this up. Nice and smooth. So these are air cushioned. Even if you push it down, it goes down slow. And it's 2 risers, or 2 parts, or 2 sections. Yeah. But you can only go so high in here. The other one. Okay. So these each have letters on them. D, B, A, and you can print me. Just make sure this part's at the end, the black part. The silver parts are the ones that connect in the middle. So these things are oblong shaped, and they go into the thing right here, like that. And then you rotate them, and then you can't pull them out. Put these up here. Whoop. Boom. Perfect, easy. And use your wing nuts. Slam down so it doesn't go anywhere. And boom, easy. And you can adjust it however how you want on either side, of course. Yeah, that's your stand. It's a little bit, I mean, you can kind of see it in the middle if you're pushing down. I can't like do pull-ups on this thing or anything, but it's pretty sturdy. It's way better than another light stand I bought before. So yeah. Alright, so that's that for the assembly. And I'm going to do a review video next. I'm going to put that right here. You can click right here, or you can click in the description below. There'll be a link in the description below for the review video. Or you can just go to my channel. Either way. But yeah, I'm about to do that.